Why does your scanner show the P2203 engine code? What does it mean? P2203 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor circuit high input, bank 1. This engine code indicates that this means the vehicle's control module detected a high voltage reading from the NOx sensor on bank 1. This code often points to a failing NOx sensor, damaged wiring. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor. Wiring or connector issues. PCM or ECM problems. Excessive NOx in the exhaust. Diesel particulate filter, DPF malfunction. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, and Chevrolet Duramax models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.